if you are a local business owner, like you have any local business like HVAC, you are providing your HVAC service in your specific area, like your location is Dallas, you are providing your service in Dallas area. Okay, but the main issue is you are not getting calls from your Google Business Profile. Then where is your main issues? But your competitors are already getting more calls in monthly, every, and daily. Okay, now right now I'll step by step explain you. Then you can easily identify what is your profile main issues, and then you can easily fix it. And then I think, in my point of view, you can start your first or second, and then time to time getting more rate. Okay, right now I compare two profile, then I think you understand. The first one, left side, is non-optimized, means unoptimized profile, and the right side is well optimized profile. Okay, then you see this means watch this video, then you understand. Okay, the left side is ABC heating and air, but the right side business name is Long-Rest Comfort Heating and Clothing. Understand the name, this is very necessary. The left side name is FEC Eating and Air. This is good, very short, everyone is easily understand and remember this name. But the problem is in here, like when you search on Google or ChatGPT or any LLM models, you will not find quickly in this business because need authority. And this is like your business is midterm, like you are providing 5 to 6 years service in your specific areas, and ABC Eating and Hair is very short name. But the right side business name is Loans for Comfort Eating and Cooling. This is the very specific name and it's long, but when anyone purchase or buy your service, then he easily understand Loans for Comfort Heating and Cooling. And when anyone search in Google or anywhere, easily find this business because they are already mentioned their business name, and comfort it plus heating and cooling means keywords. Now you can ask me, keywords not necessary right now, but it's necessary. But properly add your title and business name. Okay, then second is category. Left side use HVAC contractor only. I think you are a HVAC business owner, then I think you know HVAC is so much large industries, and this HVAC industries have a lots of categories. They are providing lots of much installations, but the right business is primary plus 3 secondary. Primary means like they are providing any business, in my point of view, like their business name is Long-Rest Comfort Heating and Cooling, like their main services heating. But the 3 plus 3 secondary categories and others, but they are mainly providing heating service. That's why 1 primary and plus 3 secondary. When someone search like heating in Dallas, like they are providing theirs, then they are easily find their people are easily find their business in Google first few positions, like top 3. Okay, and then the left side image is second photo is photos. They are too low quality photos. Okay, low quality photos. What is the low quality photos? Like you would shoot your photos, like your means your work photos, but your photos are resolution is not much good and look like not a professionals. But the right side business is photos 40 plus with geo target. Geo means like ultratext, their air, their map wise, their work and everything's, and in this image descriptions, and it's called maybe ultratext. Okay, and the left side image is review is so much necessary, but has the main point look like this. The left business, there have 6 reviews but 3.9 star. This is I think so much weight. But the right side business 180 plus reviews, 4.8 star reviews. That means when someone search on Google HVAC is near me, like you are providing your service in your Dallas, and when someone search look your business 50 to 60 review, but your review is not good, 3.8 or 4 point. Then when someone like your customer buy your service, there are confusions, and I think they are dinner and delay this service and choose the another service. But the right side business is 180 4.8. That means this service is good. Then every review is fully depend on your experience and expertise, means your work, but the main reason is calls. If you get more calls, then you get more customer, then you can get more review. That's why everything is matter in Google Business Profile. And then it's review replies. This is so much means far importance. Like when your customer review your business work, then you need to reply your customer review. Then Google understand this business is active and this is very active business, plus they are very excited to rank their business, and then Google understand and divide the rank your business. And this is so much necessary because Google always like activity update. Like you are one photo upload, and then after 2 or 3 months photo day after upload photos or post, Google not care you, Google not seriously take your business. Then if Google not seriously take your business or not see your business is not update, never when he were in Google first page, even first 3 positions. This is so much difficult. That's why you need to always be update and reply your customer review. Okay, and then is service list, full and keyword rich, and the another one is long. Keyword is so much necessary, but one thing is your full descriptions and service list are always everything words are include keywords. Never, you are not rank, but on the another way, like one things keyword are optimizedly, like you need to follow experience, expertise, authenticity, and trustworthiness. Yeah, it is service list you need to add full and keyword rich, but I mean the business descriptions, and business descriptions need every business descriptions need all optimized, because it is so much necessary every Google Business Profile. Like it take 20 to 30% is necessary for Google Business Profile. That's why you need to seriously write Google Business Profile descriptions, follow EEAT. EEAT means experience, expertise, authoritariness, and trustworthiness. But in my point of view, even you can search on Google, then you can easily understand. You need first see experience, expertise, and trust. When you build 3 things, then automatically divide it time to time, build authority. Okay, and then hours incomplete, and the right side businesses hours complete, and then post non-hour, post weekly. That's good. I mean, I before I said update is very necessary. If you weekly post to one post enough at first time, then when you business is long term, then you can post weekly like 2 3. But if you not post, never, hopefully, and nobody thinks your business is ranking first top 3. Okay, and then Q&A, question and answer. And this is the new, and if you question and answer in at the your business, this is so much better. And service area, this is very important because full Google Business Profile depend on your locations. If you properly add your service area, then it's 50% chance you can your business rank in your specific area. When you someone search like your customer, then easily find your business. Okay, and then attributes not selected, attribute emergency and free estimate. So much necessary. I'll later explain you. Booking and lead button. Now and booking lead button UMT tracked link. I mean add your website link. Okay, now I practically show, then you can easily understand. This is the oil optimized profile, and this is the non-oil optimized profile. Okay, the first one is oil optimized profile, Dallas heating and air conditioners. Okay, the Dallas heating and air conditioning, this is that they are at first their locations and then their service. Okay, but the second business is miles maintenance, acid and heating. They're not explainedly at their business name. This is so much necessary. Once appear like you are think you are customer, when you see this business, no trust. And then is 15.7 review 4.9. Okay, but reviews few, that's why they are not easily ranked in first few positions, but their review is 4.8, but they are already get 228 reviews, and they are at website directories reviews save book online. Okay, here is the main things every Google Business Profile, then you can easily understand. Look at this, miles, mechanical, AC and heating, they are at phone number, hours, That's it. No another things. And there are almost few photos, like 5 photos, and even a year ago, means 1 year ago, but 4 years ago, 8 years ago. But the another side, all of HVAC profile already upload lots of photos. 3 years, 5 months, 5 years, 3 years. See, they are upload lots of photos, and then see located in Kurum. Address, they are already adding address, but this business not here address. Then how they rank in first few positions? Just think. And then is their ad number, it's okay, but here's the main things is adding social medias, but they are not add social media, and their description not or not, I mean not all up to its profile. Their description is Miles Mechanical AC and Heating LLC is you go to AC repair and HVAC contractor in local site. I think these descriptions written by AI, this not good, but you see this business, they are add post, even weekly post, like I have last post is May 21, May 20. Yeah, then it's good, far good, better than this. And they are add links in social medias. Even if I see their Google Business Profile descriptions, everything's okay. I already checked, that's why I tell right now. And even they are at private, this look at this business, just everything's depend on trust. I think you right now understand. If I see their review and analysis, look like this, their every review, comment and replies, look at this, every review they are already replies. But this business, if I analyze, no, they are not replies most of the business, but I think yeah, they are replies. Their main issues I already find. Even you think what is the main issues, this business all optimized, they are adding optimized business name, then location wise where they are located, even phone number, hours, reviews, or every review replies, add social media link, uh, weekly, monthly one or two posts, even their add their business hours and oil optimize, including keyword EET, not EAT, but you can say EET, optimize profile, sorry, descriptions. But another one is no, not much more, just 5 photos. Even few years ago, 57 reviews, just add for app phone number, no address. These are the main issues in this way for this business, and their descriptions not all optimized. I think you understand why your business is not getting calls. Okay, at last, I am Orrgo, as a HPSC specialist and consultant. If you need any help, just contact me. Even if you want to rank your business and you want to getting more calls, you can. I'm already free consultant is say, and you can get free audit. I'm really happy to, if you contact with me, then I'm really happy to help with you. Thank you so much. I think this video is very helpful for you. Thank you.